Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Now today I will show you how to cancel Amazon Music app subscription. Now this is if you're using a mobile app on Amazon Music, or even if you're using this on online on amazonmusic.com. Basically what you need to do is you'll need to log in into your Amazon Music, and you'll need to go to your Amazon Music settings in order to go and cancel your subscription. Now you can go to the Amazon Music Unlimited section, and in there, in your subscription renewal, you can see the details and you can select the cancel option. Now there you can cancel and confirm the cancellation. Now if you subscribe through iTunes, you'll need to visit the Apple website, or if you signed up through a third party like Apple, Google, or your mobile or service provider, you may need to contact them in order to cancel and receive a refund. Now, obviously, they offer a lot right here. So I definitely recommend you, if you want to go and cancel this completely, make sure to cancel it through your Amazon Music Unlimited section, and there you can do that as well. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.